Devils, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a whole review, swatch, and also tutorial how I got this look right here. If you guys didn't know, Patrickstarrr came out with a second round collaboration with MAC. Now he came out with 2 different kits. They're not individual products, it's something completely different, and each kit only retails for $49.50, which is amazing. I'm gonna get all into the nitty-gritty, but before I get into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing? Don't forget to subscribe because it is free, $99. Also, click that little bell. And I'd really appreciate if you do click that bell, because now until recently I'm getting so many more comments saying that I'm not showing up on your feeds. It really sucks. YouTube is doing this whole thing where I don't even know what the heck is going on, but I'm not showing up on a lot of your feeds, and I know a lot of people are dealing with this issue. So please click that bell. That would really help me out. Patrick went ahead and released 2 different collections. I have one of them right here that Mac sent me, which is called the Miso Chic. He does have another one as well that has a little bit more bold colors. This one, I will say, for me, like my own taste, is more wearable, which I was super excited because the colors are on point. I'm currently wearing every single shade and everything that came out in the collection on my face. So now let's get into what is in this kit. So here's the box right here, and I just love the packaging. It's really hard, but you can't really see it too well, but it says Patrickstarrr. It says Miso Chic at the bottom. I love the box, but just wait till you see the actual product. So when you open up your box, each product is wrapped individually in tissue paper. And then one of the first things you're gonna see is a face chart right here. This is just inspiration. This is definitely what you can do with the collection. I decided to not follow and just kind of do my own, but it says spring into fierceness and blossom onto your own beauty. Live your floral fantasy, XOXO Patrickstarrr. Now let's jump into the products. The first one is the quad. Now I love the pink packaging. Then there's a floral pattern right here with his name. You open it up, you have these 4 fun colors. The shades in the palette are Daddy Star, which is the muted baby pink with pearl. Yes, which is a mid-tone dusty violet. Queen Patrick, which is a bright purple, and Bonne Nuit, which is a black purple. And Bonne Nuit is actually French for good night. Now let's get into the lippy. So the lippy doesn't come with a box, it's just wrapped in tissue as well. Just having this packaging is so beautiful. Again, with the roses and the floral feel, and I love how there's gold on here. Also, when you open up the quad, this is actually gold. You can't really tell because of my lights, but this is gold, and I am obsessed with this shade. It is such a beautiful wearable color. You guys will see my reaction when I put this on, and I am currently wearing it. And then on top of that, on top of the lipstick, you will get a lip gloss. And again, the packaging, like the roses, and just, oh, it's just so pretty. And sheer nude with pearl. It's a lip topper for sure. And this is what it looks like. It's just a beautiful topper with that shimmer. And then for the final product is his duo blush. Blush is Pure Peach, which is a satin, and then Capri Bronze, which is a matte. Going to be released in North America April 19th, and then internationally May 2018. I'm sure they'll maybe launch some like more specific dates for internationally. All right guys, so now I'm just gonna zip my mouth so we can go right into the tutorial, and I'm gonna show you how these goodies work. Whoop! Alright guys, so now let's get started with the look. I went ahead and primed my eyes with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I've been using this for like the last week and I've been loving it. And then I went ahead and set my eyes with Patrick's last collab. And this is his little quad that he had, and this is just in the shade Brulee. Now we have this beautiful baby right here, and I am just so obsessed with the packaging just because I'm obviously a fan of pink and purple, and I love the packaging, so we're gonna dip right into this baby. Start with this plummy shade, and I'm gonna bring that right into my crease. If you guys know me, or if you're new to my channel, I'm Lizzy and I get scared of color. Hi. So recently, if you guys saw like my last videos, I've been trying to dip into more color, and I'm really happy how open I am. Playing it safe is fun, and it's what I'm comfortable with, and it's what I like, and I always will love it. But playing with color is even more fun. It has like this sheen to it where it's glowing. Dusty lilac shade, and this one definitely is a matte. Let's kind of tap off a little, and I'm gonna place this all over my lid. I went ahead and placed that on my eye, but I thought it was going to be a little bit more dusty of a lilac. I don't know, when I place it on, here, let me add it with my finger, and I feel like it might make a little bit more of a difference. I just don't want it kind of blowing all the way into that crease color where it all looks the same. I feel like the crease color really just looks like the lid color. I thought there was going to be a little bit more of a difference in there, but even after using my finger, I'm gonna add more dimension. I'm gonna go into this deeper shade. This is definitely a matte, and let's start placing this on the outside of the eye, and let's start smoking it out, because when in doubt, smoke it out. Much better now that I'm adding more dimension. At first, I was like, oh, I don't know how this is gonna look. In the pan, it just looks like whatever, but look, once you smoke it out, it's a beautiful shade. I'm gonna go back into that plum shade, and I'm just gonna kind of blend those two together and add a little bit more because I like the dimension that it's adding right there to the outside. Okay, now I want to go back into that lid shade, and I want to try again because I feel like it looks so milky, but then when you place it, it's not as milky. Well, now that I smoked it out, it's showing a little bit more of a difference. You see that? Now let's just blend those. Okay, that's looking better. I just needed to like reapply. So when in doubt, wing it out as well. That's one of my favorite phrases. I'm gonna wing out my liner with Sigma Wicked Gel Liner, and I always use their wing liner brush. These are my go-to, my staples, my holy grail. This is what it looks like. And then I've been using my Duraline just because I think it makes it glide and stay even more waterproof. I don't know, I've been using this for so long. I'm obsessed with this stuff. I used to mention it all the time on my channel. I still currently use it. I just take it on the back and then, see, it actually uses my old liner that I had that I placed in the cap, and you don't waste any product. Even with like your best gel liners, I'll still use it when the liner is like a super fresh pot. It's just something about it. It just makes it glide on so much easier and makes it mega waterproof. And then since it glides so nicely, you don't have to like hold your eye taut or like maneuver it all weird, possibly mess up your face makeup. See, look how it's just going. Look how easy that is. It's like my favorite. And this wing liner brush is holy grail. Okay guys, so I went ahead and winged my liner out, and then I popped on some lashes. These are the Cocoa 9 to 5, my new favorite, new find. I just added them in my cart and now they're like my faves. Okay, so I'm doing my concealer and I'm going to set it with Patrick's powder that he launched in his last collection. Every time I see anything about Patrick's powder, everybody's saying, bring it back, please re-release it. Matt, can you guys bring this back? Because so many people want it. We need it. Like, please stop teasing us and let us know that you're bringing it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. This powder is so good. I'm telling you, so good. I used to set my whole entire face with it, and now knowing that it didn't get re-released, like I'm not even using it to set my face because I don't want to waste it. I'm using Max Give Me Sun. I literally was looking all over for it because I was just like, where is it? This is my favorite. I obviously love it. I've already hit pan, and it's really hard for me to hit pan on a lot of products. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into the palette, and I'm going to dip into that vibrant shade right here that we didn't use. And I'm going to stick that right underneath my lash line. I'm just using a Sigma short shader brush. That right there. This is a really beautiful shade. I want to bring you up close so you can really see the color of it. Look how vibrant that looks. It is so pretty. I'm obsessed with this. And you know what I loved? That I used the whole entire palette. I didn't have to dip into 500 other palettes. I love lippies, and I'm so excited. What's the name of this one? Sweet Mama Star. I love how he dedicates stuff to his parents. That's like totally something I would do because my mom is my everything, and I love that. Mama Star was a really pretty color too. It's like that pink, and this one is like right up my alley again. This is one of those ones that's like holy grail status. It's not too bright. It's not too dusty because I'm someone where I don't like really dusty looking pinks. I like a little bit of vibrancy, but not too much. This is so beautiful. And I just realized this comes in a kit and I can't buy it back up. Mac, you're killing me. Now there's the Mama Star Kiss lip gloss right here. And then this one is a sheer nude with pearl. Sorry, I wanted to like make sure I had the right descriptions for this. Such beautiful packaging. I'm at you guys, this lip color though, it like needs nothing. And I'm so sad this is a kit and I can't even buy the freaking lip color on its own. Anyhow, I'm obsessed with this. Now I'm going to have to ration this product out. I mean, you could place it on your hand in that because I just like literally ruined the dough foot. I said dough fit. Dough fit. And just give a little. Let me just zoom you in so you can see this beautiful freaking lippy. Obsessed. 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 So next we're going to go into the blush duo, and I'm obsessed how there's 2 shades in here, so it's a twofer. You get more bang for your buck, which the kit is already only like $49.50, which is crazy. So now we're going to go into these shades. These shades are what call me. I love burnt looking shades. I love more muted corals and pinks. I don't like bright shades. So let's try this one because I'm not sure how dark this is going to be. I'm just using a Sigma Dual Fiber Powder Blush Brush. And I'm someone where I love blush. So I kind of always have like a heavy hand because I feel like, you know, that always fades so quick on someone. At least on me. Wow, this is a beautiful shade. Look at that. I'm going to try the other shade. I have another clean brush. This one's just from BH. Let's try this out. I don't even know what, but I'm using it for blush. A lot of my brushes are dirty. Look at that. Okay, let's try this one out. If I'm going to wear a bright blush, this is it. This is as bright as I'll go. It's still keeping kind of like muted. It's not overly done. Let's see what the sheet said. So one is called Pure Peach, and the other side is Capri Bronze. So, and they're both, the Pure Peach is a satin and the bronze is a matte. And I think they're both stunning. You could see that nice sheen, and here's margin, well, not margin, I keep saying it looks like margin, but I like them both. Can you imagine in combination? Now let's add this one on this side. Let's do it. That's a round of applause. All right, guys, so I went ahead and put like my crazy bun down, but here's the completed look. You guys know I don't mess with color, and I'm obsessed with this look. I love everything, especially the price point, $49.50. You get a whole quad, you get a dual blush, you get a lip gloss, and also a lipstick. You get 4 products, $49.50. Amazing packaging, amazing quality. I never rave about collections, but this kit right here is so bomb. I'm sure the other kit is just as great. I'm really excited with this one because I feel like this kit just really fits me, just because, I don't know, color scheme wise and all that. I'm living for it. Congratulations to Patrick. I think this is amazing. I'm just going to end it right there because the collection speaks for itself. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. Go ahead and check out my previous videos. Also click that little bell because a ton of people, especially now, again, it's happening again, where you guys aren't seeing my videos on your feed, and it really sucks. If you click that bell, you know, solve a little bit of the situation. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you beautiful pineapples in the next one. Mwah! Whoop whoop!
Here we go, it's all about you, it's all about me, it's all about what we do. Making art, you and me, trying to find something to believe.